Hello, good day friends, welcome. In today's video I'm going to be earning approximately around 6.12 USDT on this new quantitative platform, which if I convert it to naira is going to give me approximately almost 10,000 naira. That's on a daily basis. Now for you to get started on this platform, I'm going to be making a live withdrawal on this platform so you can see. Now this is what I want you guys to do. Every day that you come to this platform, ensure that you withdraw after you are done recharging. Now for you to recharge, you can see there's an icon, there's a dashboard here that you can recharge, but before you recharge you just need to scroll down so you can see different VIP levels and how much you can earn. Now for this one, I started with around order of what VIP 2, which is giving me around an interest of 6.12 USDT. that is, as you can see, displayed here on my screen. So 6.12 USDT in the next 7 days is going to give me approximately around 42 plus. That's almost like 2x of my startup. Now in the next 3 days I'm supposed to earn around 18 plus. So in the next 3 to 4 days you have gotten your capital back, and the other days that is left you are earning. Now the secret for you to keep earning on quantitative platform is to get started immediately that you see this video. Now the next thing for you to do, let me show you what to do first. You recharge, you click on this recharge that you see right here. Now once you click on it, you are going to see different network address that is supported on BEP20. For me, I love to make use of USDT BEP20 network address, and all I just need to do is to come right here and click on it, and then I fund it. Now before you even recharge, you can see there is TRC20 network, there is BEP20, and there is BNB. Now before you even go ahead to recharge, like I said, you come here and confirm what the VIP level that you want to do. You can see you can start with any VIP level that you like, but if you are a bit confused, you can just go with 19 USDT, and then you click on tax. Tax is the second icon from my left, and then the third icon counting for my right. There is an arrow pointing down at it. Now once you come here, you click on what to complete. Now every 24 hours you are just going to come here and click on this to complete. Immediately you recharge, come here, go to tax, right? You are seeing an arrow pointing down at that tax. You click on what to complete, and then it's going to give you this. Now the next thing for me to do is to go back to withdraw. I go back to my home page, and then I click on withdraw right here. Now I'm going to withdraw this 6.12 USDT every day. So I'm going to make use of USDT BEP20. Please make sure you are making use of USDT BEP20 because the network fee for USDT BEP20 is very low. That's why I encourage you guys to make use of it. So let me come right here and place withdrawal immediately. Like I said, I'm going to just come here and click on USDT BEP20 network. Remember I said if you want to register on this platform, you are going to just set up a login password. So the login password is the same thing that you are going to use to withdraw. You understand? So to come here and tap on confirm. So please make sure that your withdrawal password is correct. Make sure you write it down immediately you recharge. So immediately you are registering on this platform. So let me show you guys how to register. Let me just sign out. Once I sign out, immediately you are going to see if you want to sign up, all you just need to do, click on sign up right here. You're just going to input an email and then a password. That's just all. Or you come here, choose a registered phone number, click on this and you choose your country code, and that's just it. So let me just come here to confirm our withdrawal. How much did we withdraw right now? It was around 6 USDT, 6.12 USDT. Remember how much you had here. So let me just refresh. It's still showing here. You can see I just refresh and you can see how much we are earning right here. You can see it right here. 6.12 USDT successfully withdrawn. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any question, please make sure you ask me in the comment section of this video. Thank you guys.